I've been blocked for like 10 plus years. I'll give you guys an update. I've been just, trying to find work, photography, still doing events, temporary. But, nowadays, make money on your phone. There's so many ways to make, passive income as an artist, not just, doing art. So that helps us out a lot with the flexibility. So I'm going to show you what I did and how I'm basically going to grad school finally, like 14 plus years. And I got a studio coming and that's gonna be planned out too. So a lot of stuff gonna happen. So I'm gonna show you what I did, planning myself to go to grad school. I've been 14 years, I guess. Yeah, around 14 years after my bachelor's. Did contracts stuff like that. I'm 36 now, and yeah, let's see what we did. I went to community college to get refreshing. So new stuff. Everything changed. Culture changed and stuff like that. Let's talk about it. I'm gonna show you what I did. Okay. College, I learned how to do a lot of traditional arts. You just see that a lot of traditional arts, watercoloring to ink to more ink. So I was ready for that, and yeah, I took spring. I took some classes, but what I took most was art history, Asian history. That helped me, get infused and get inspired by a lot of cool stuff. And yeah, it just helped me out, and I was inspired. I was inspired by a lot of Asian arts, and you see like a lot of this art I basically adapt, inspired by. It was, kind of like Japanese and Chinese and ancient stuff like that. So I keep it with modern time, and then I self portrait myself watercoloring. It's pretty cool, right? So I did traditional art, but I also went through like digital stuff too, where like I did animation, do the animation. That's I'm learning that. So the community college basically helped me out, refreshing my brain. The culture changed. The culture changed a lot, and it changed a lot. The educational system. So that's just community college. So my grad school start next month, so I'll try to be prepared. I want to get my brain outside of the commercial world and go back to education. Everything changed, so let's see how that works. Guys, I take more of a traditional arts. So it's more canvas, pretty cool, right? So I took spring and I took basically the summer, and yeah, I learned a lot, man. Not just creative material studies, creative thinking as an artist, not just using digital art, But I learned a lot. Don't get me wrong, I learned a lot. And let's see what I did. And I'm a Vancouver art too. I didn't even know he was inspired by Japanese and Asian arts. Oops, sorry about that. So you see, like Amy Vancouver was inspired by the Asian arts. So that's cool. This is one of my pictures, my showcase, like 9 years ago, 8 years ago. So I still love photography. I still whatever. But I'll just tell you guys like my main focus in my career was photography and design and stuff like that. So this is one of my work on a buy on. So you see like I already focused at the buy on. So you see what I did with that. Use 3D sculpture of a buy on. Pretty cool. It's on my website. You want to see the full body. It got broken down by the wind where you to see that. Yeah, my first 3D sculpture. So that's pretty cool design. So all man made. Graphic design, and I'm already like does photography, but now that I pay people to do my photography work, but I want to learn the basics again, and Photoshop has changed. So I scanned that right there. You see that I scanned one of the arts here, did old style like that, and I scanned it and it just make it photography and stuff like that with Photoshop. So that's pretty cool. Probably turned into a shirt, but I had 100% on that, and that's pretty cool too. Let's see what else I did. I gotta tell you, the website matters too. So let's talk about my latest website. So basically, I just didn't have time to build one, so I just plug it in from GoDaddy. Same.com, job production. Nothing changed. I just didn't have time to build it. So you just see that the 3D sculpture, which is this, got me into the grad program. It wasn't my tech stuff. Probably was, the resume and stuff like that, but I believe they liked it the new stuff, which is like this year. So basically when I finished building this and another object that got destroyed and right here, I'll show you right quick. So you see that's my resume, that's my LinkedIn, my profile, resume for contract, my design work, my wedding work. I have a lot of. I'm gonna update more of that, but people still want to book me. It's crazy. People still want to book me, and that's me building that. You see that in class. Thank you very much. One of the best class ever is in DVC. Happy, y'all check her out. And this is one of the other projects, the 3D abstract. So they didn't see it in real life. They basically just see the website. So this right here has also helped me out. It's basically an abstract anchor watt. You see the waterfall. I took a picture of it. It's pretty nice. So all the detail I missed, I gotta rebuild it again when I get the studio. It's just so nice. So you see, I got 3 abstract with this 2 got me in. So that was pretty cool. And the one outside, that was the last one. I thought I needed that to turn in, but they say, hey, that's it. We just wanted to, the latest work, your resume, your recommendation letters, stuff like that. And I applied. I got in. And luckily that I took the step of going to a community college, DVC, just to refresh, to build my skills. Without me taking that, I would basically be lost and would have that passive passions to design and as an artist, And the teachers there, the professor there, instructor there, I told you it played a big role. So the 3D sculpture helped me a lot, and thanks to the traditional, art also, and history of Asia, art history of Asia, it inspired me a lot. And I don't know what's gonna happen, but I will give you guys an update. So you guys check out the website, don't forget, and all the good stuff. And yeah, check me out. Oh yeah, check it out. Pretty cool, right? Yep, it's all my work, old work too. Look at that. Pretty nice. And I gotta update the UX section soon later. All right, thank you guys. Oh yeah, the letter. Let's show them the letter first. Oops, sorry, but this is my old suitcase. I put it there because it means a lot. You hear the noise? You know me, that means business, right? I used to do a lot of wedding contract with the suitcase, and it holds document, and then there's the letter right here. I want to show you guys right quick. It's my USB. So I gotta fix this too. It's bulletproof, so I made it bulletproof. Pretty cool, right? I made it bulletproof just for fun. But the letter's right there, so oops, let's check it out. And yeah, level cast tape. You informed that you had been our friend in the mid. Boom, boom.